time I have joined Impetus, it's been a quite learning experience for me. I've learned a lot many things under the mentorship of my seniors. Impetus is like my second home. It's one of the best place to work in. The aura of my workplace makes me more positive and encourages me to work harder and harder. Working with Impetus is the best experience of my life. Thank you, Impetus, for trusting in me.
I joined Impetus almost 6 years back, and since then I'm experiencing fraternity. The day I joined Impetus, I was in dilemma. I had few more offers from well-recognized companies, and on the other hand, I had Impetus, where I had opportunities to learn the big data technologies and improve my leadership skills. I chose to go with Impetus. To be honest, I was not liking the infrastructure of the Bangalore office at that time, but big data was a promising thing for my career, and I just decided to go with it. Today, I can firmly say that my decision was right. I got many opportunities and the great guidance from our leaders. The more I know about the company and our leaders, more I love to work with them. I have seen many people left Impetus to start the new endeavor due to some monetary benefits, but they are joining back, and this is because of the culture Impetus has. I work with many other companies, but I have never seen the way Impetus treats our parents, our family. This makes Impetus unique and wonderful. I would like to thank each one of you for the opportunities I got here that helped me growing towards my career. I would love to be part of such celebrations for many more years. Thanks a lot.
Hello everyone. I would like to talk about my journey at Impetus. So last 6 years with Impetus was wonderful. I have had a lot of sweet memories at Impetus, and I have been lucky to work with such wonderful people around here at Impetus. They all love me so much, and I love them all a lot, and I am grateful to all the people with whom I have worked directly or indirectly. And at last, I would say Impetus for me is like my second home, where I can just go work, chill, hang out with my friends, and at the end party hard for the successes that we achieve. So it's really a wonderful journey, and I am very, very proud of it. Thank you, Impetus.
I am Ankit Kumar Dak. I have started my career at Impetus as a fresher, and I have completed my 6 years with Impetus. The best thing about the Impetus is like the flexible work culture which I got here, and the learning activities. I really like all the learning activities which provided by the Impetus, and I would say getting a job in Impetus is a kind of dream comes true. Yeah, that's it. Thank you.
Hi, this is Ankit Srivastav. I am working here in Impetus as a module lead software engineer. I joined here as a fresher, and now I have completed from 6+ years. I feel so lucky to work with Impetus. Everyone here is really helpful, creative, positive, inspiring, and intelligent. I learned a lot in this complete journey. And yes, I really want to say thanks to everyone. Thanks to all my team members, Team HEG, Team MG, and the finance department. Yes, I am so proud to be a part of the Impetus family. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, I hope all of you are doing well. It has been 5 years working in Impetus, and the journey has been more than amazing with this wonderful organization. I still remember my first day coming fresh from college to this corporate world. Since then I've grown a lot, both professionally and personally. So I would like to take this opportunity to thank everyone, from my colleagues to Impetus management, who has provided with me all the support so I can learn and contribute to organization growth at best possible way. And I hope I will continue to get this support in future as well. Looking forward to completing another 5 years with this organization. Thank you so much.
Hi all. The journey here has been exceptional and full of learning. The start of my career has been best as this is my first company. When I look back, I see vivid of memories of a start as a QA team member to create my own team as platform team. I'm thankful to Rajesh for giving me this opportunity of learning and paying my own path. A lot of name I would want to take, including Mohan, Ankit, Dharmendra, Vishal, Sajal, Saurabh, who helped me all the way since the start. I look forward for making such memorable moments in this journey. Thank you everyone.
मेरे को आज 5 साल पूरा हो गया जॉब करते हुए, लेकिन बहुत अच्छा लगा। मेरे को जो एडमिन सारे स्टाफ है मेरे को इतना साथ दिया। मैं एक कच्चा मिट्टी का जैसे है आया था, लेकिन देखते देखते कैसे स्टोन बन गया मेरे को पता ही नहीं चला। मैं माइलस्टोन बनने के लिए कोशिश करूँगा, इसीलिए मेरा जितना स्टाफ है मेरे को जैसे हेल्प कर रहा है, अब मैं सबको हेल्प चाहता हूँ और मैं कोशिश करूँगा कंपनी का जो काम है जैसे दे रहा है उसको मैं पूरा करने के लिए सबको सहयोगिता मिलेगा तो मैं आगे बढ़ते रहूँगा।
Hi all, this is Ashish. It's been 6 years that I've been at Impetus. I joined in July 2014 and I was straight out of my college. It was a college placement actually. So my journey at Impetus is pretty exciting so far. I have figured things on the way, of course. So there has been a lot of learnings. At Impetus, you are free to apply your creativity. People also support you for that. Impetus is like my second family. Here, every team member is like a family member. People here help each other, and you can approach anyone for help. That's been my journey so far. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Ayush Agarwal. I work as a module lead software engineer at Impetus. I have been working with Impetus for the last 6 years. It has been an enriching and delightful journey for me. I would really like to thank all my managers and supervisors who have guided me all through the work and through the journey. They have been very helpful and supportive. Although being a fresher, I have always been given all the opportunities and ownership, and which led to me learning all the responsibilities, which is very good for a fresher. Apart from that, I would also like to thank the organization for harmonious work-life balance, rather than just focusing on the professional front. It has been very good and delightful experience for me. I have been enjoying for the last 6 years, and I look forward for the future. Thank you.
हाय सर, मैं भूमन सिंह। मैं इस कंपनी में 5 साल जॉब पूरे होने के कारण मैं इस कंपनी का बहुत धन्यवाद करता हूँ जो मेरे को 5 साल मेरे को यहाँ पर जॉब करने को मिला। यहाँ पे मैं बहुत फ्रेशर आया था इस कंपनी में, काफ़ी कुछ मिला सीखने को यहाँ पे, और मेरा एडमिन का भी काफ़ी सपोर्ट था, साथियों का भी बहुत सपोर्ट था मेरे को, जो आज मैं यहाँ पर 5 साल पूरा कर चुका हूँ। आगे भी आप लोगों का सपोर्ट होगा तो मैं आगे भी कोशिश करूँगा कि आगे बढ़ने की, यहाँ पर आप लोगों का सपोर्ट चाहिए मेरे को।
Hello everyone, this is Vishwaranjan. I am working in this group since last more than 6 years, and here I joined as a fresher. Currently I am working as a module lead software engineer. So the colleagues are really very nice here and very cooperative. The culture is also very good, and everything is going good here, and I am enjoying working in this culture and in this company.
Hello everyone. So talking about Impetus plays a very important role in my life. I have spent around 1/6 of my life in Impetus, and it really shaped me as a better human being and a skilled software engineer. So the thing that makes me more proud is the environment, the healthy and full of opportunity environment. Like in every next 15 days, I am getting a different sort of work. So the guy like me who really love to work on different domains, different kind of technologies. So this sort of environment really motivates me, and so this really helps me to grow in my career as well as in my personal. Last but not the least thing that I have to mention here is work-life balance. So this thing really helped me to manage my both worlds, like professional and the personal world, in a very comfortable way. So thanks to all impros here. And lastly, I want to thank everyone that is involved in my journey so far in Impetus, and looking forward to have more beautiful years here. Thank you.
Hello everyone. My journey with Kairos have brought some great moments in my life that I will cherish forever. Kairos is a dream company for anyone who has zeal to do things out of the box and has love for technology. Everyone in this office has been a real inspiration for me, and I have learned from each and everyone. This journey would not have been possible without the incredible team which always supported me. I would like to thank my fellow team members for being a part of my journey at Kairos.
Hello everyone. It's been 6 years with Intellicus, and to summarize my journey in a very short speech is very difficult. Last 6 years were full of opportunities, challenges, lots of learning and transforming ourselves from being reasonable to unreasonable. I learned nothing is impossible if together we work as a team. It's not just an organization, it's a family. Everyone stood with me in my bad times as well as we celebrated joy together. I didn't even realize I spent my life-changing 6 years with Intellicus. They went too fast, and I excelled under mentorship of Hemendra sir and Rajesh sir. I thank Intellicus for this awesome 6 years.
My name is Dilip Agarwal. I joined Impetus in August 2014 and I have passed 6.5 years in Impetus. I am here to share my views and my expectations and my journey in Impetus in these 6.5 years. So in August 2014, I joined Impetus as a software engineer for Big Data Technologies. When I joined Impetus, Big Data Technologies were in growing phase and there were less number of resources available online to learn the Big Data Technologies. But Impetus Ramp Up program gave good opportunities to learn these big data technologies, and within 6 months of period I learned a lot of big data technologies in Impetus. In February 2015 I joined the Globe project for MX, and since then I am learning a lot of technologies in this project and facing lot of challenges working in a good cluster of MX based on the MAPR file system. I joined Impetus as a software engineer and now I am in a position of module lead engineer. So I am continuously growing in this company and along with learning. So I am expecting such continuous learning and growth for many more years. Thank you, friends.
I had started my career as a fresher in Impetus and it's almost 6.5 years here. My journey with Impetus has been really great. I started my career in Indore and I have worked in almost every location with Impetus. And during this period, I got the exposure to work on different technologies and projects and got the opportunity to work with some really good peers and seniors. I'm really happy and proud to be part of this family. Thanks for all the support and guidance which I've ever strived for. Thank you so much.
This is Durgesh Kumar Singh. I have been working with Impetus for more than 6 years. My journey with this organization is pretty awesome. Impetus not only helped me to build a strong professional career, but also helped me to nurture my non-technical areas. After joining and spending so many number of years in this organization, I can say that I improved a lot in terms of management skill, client handling capability, technical, non-technical, and many more. Impetus group of company play a vital role in celebrating all the festivals with a great zeal, and these festive seasons provide internal happiness to many engineers and all the employees. Impetus group of company play a key role in providing a work-life balance for all their male and female employees. They also provide a good facilities like gym, food facility, and health checkup, and many more. And to be very personal, I got a very good team here. I build a strong relationship with all the team members. So for me, Impetus is a great place to work, and I would like to say thank you.
This is Gaurav Fauza from NMG. Being in Impetus throughout these years have been a great experience in my life. I would like to thank on this occasion to all of my mentors, to all of the team members in NMG, and to all of the users to whom I have been providing technical support. Thank you so much for being so patient and cooperative. Thank you so much. So happy being in Impetus.
I started my career as a fresher and the journey has been amazing so far. Thank you Impetus for providing me ample of opportunities for my professional and personal growth, and even a bigger thank you for acknowledging the efforts done and motivating me at every step. I wish the journey lasts longer and I am able to provide my best towards the organization's growth.